everyone, this is Nikita. Today I will show you the picture of our glass ball light. Now, let's open the box.
然后对着我，哎对，我展示好，对你看一遍，然后对我看一遍。
This is the installation instructions. Okay, shoe. Diameter is 10 centimeter. Switch. Let's turn on. Okay. Oh, beautiful. This is the glass ball light. The cover is made of glass, the bottom is made of plastic, and on the bottom there is a switch. This switch with the switch on and switch off function. Here there are 4 screws, and back this cover there is a rechargeable battery. So this light is solar powered. You can put it outside. It can absorb the sunlight to charge the battery. Okay.
哎，这个很奇怪，我明明是暖色，为什么开起来是冷色？
不知道，调一个光。
桌子上的倒影也好看。
对。
新鲜